Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm going to teach you how to make bread in a bread maker today. Today we're going to make a Kathy loaf. I call it a Kathy loaf because I got the recipe from my Aunt Kathy. It makes a 1.5 pound loaf of basic white bread. Using a bread maker is easier than making bread by hand because the machine mixes, raises, and bakes the bread for you. First, we have to make sure that the paddle that mixes the bread is locked in securely. Next, we have to make sure the bread pan is locked in. First, I pre-measured 3 cups of white flour. I live in Michigan, so next I like to use 1.5 tablespoons of beet sugar, because sugar beets are grown in Michigan. Next, we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons of iodized salt. Iodine is important to people in the Great Lakes region because we don't get enough iodine naturally, and iodine helps prevent goiter. Next, we use 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Butter helps protect the moisture and prevents the bread from being stale. Then we put 1.25 cup of lukewarm milk into the bread pan. I like to microwave it for 40 seconds, and the warm milk helps the bread rise. Finally, we put in 1 3/4 teaspoons of dry active yeast plus a little extra. The combination of yeast and sugar makes a chemical reaction. It makes bubbles that makes the bread rise. My machine comes set for a basic 1.5 pound home loaf, so I press start. The bread will be ready in 3 hours, and the machine will beep when it's done. Everybody in my house likes fresh bread, and I make it every day.